celebrating a special day here in ABS-CBN for our newest stars. I'm your host, Ai de la Cruz, welcoming you to the Star Magic Contract Signing and Media Conference, Shining Now! Alam kong nakita nyo na ang teasers natin for the past few days, and this is it! The time has really come for the newest Star Magic artists to shine. We all can't wait to welcome them, so thank you to everyone joining us sa official YouTube and Facebook accounts of Star Magic and ABS-CBN Entertainment. Please show your support by sharing the live stream and keep on posting with our official hashtag for today, #ShiningNow. We have quite the lineup of rising new Star Magic artists today. Kaya syempre, here to support them as always, we have the head of Star Magic and Entertainment Production, Mr. Laurenti Jogi! And now we see Direct Lauren walking our red carpet, greeting our friends from the media and press. Hello, Direct Lauren. Good afternoon. Looking dapper as always. You may now take your seat. Full house dito with our shining friends from the press, our Star Magic managers, and the loved ones of our Star Magic artists. Hello, everyone. Thank you po, kahit masama ang lagay ng panahon ay minabuti niyong pumunta po rito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And to help us seal the deal with our first artists, joining Direk Lauren Jogi, nandito rin ang manager nila from Star Magic. We would like to acknowledge Cap Luz Bagalaksa! Thank you very much for being here today, fresh from London. Wow! Mga kapamilya, we all know that Star Magic artists shine not just on the surface. Tatak Star Magic ang artistang talented, hardworking, and well-rounded. So meet the two people who have worked with us behind the scenes for so many years to make our stars shine even brighter. It's finally their time. Shining now, Coach Tony Saret and Coach Jim Saret. Truly a power couple. Hello and welcome. Hi, Coach Jim and Coach Tony. Hello po. Kindly take your seats over there. Please join Direk Lauren and Cap Luz. There you go. Kindly settle down. You know, through the years, talagang naging bahagi ng journey ng iba't ibang stars sina Coach Jim and Coach Tony. So, I would like to ask you how you're feeling right now. How does it feel na kayo naman ang nasa spotlight ngayon?
Talaga? Well, isang malaking namamangha pa rin po kami, isang malaking pasasalamat po sa amin pong minamahal na Direk Lauren, Ninong. Salamat, you've known us before we were even married. Thank you, Direk, for being our mentor, our guiding star, our guardian angel, all these years for actually making us more realize and actualize our mission, vision in life, and our sole purpose. So, Direk, thank you for giving us this space, which is fitness, health, and wellness, and which is all the more amplified through all the platforms you have generously given us. Thank you, Direk. We wouldn't be here without you. We love you. And secondly po, siguro I'd also like, Direk, to take this opportunity na rin kasi bigay-pugay lang po ko sa mga tao, like Direk Lauren. And second, my mother, who, Direk, actually 50 years ago po pala, actually 50 years ago, she worked here po. And she's here today, so coming full circle, ang hirap po yayain to get out of the house. Pero nandito po ang aking mother. So Direk, talagang salamat. Maraming salamat. 50 years ago po, Direk, she worked here under the late Henny Lopez Jr. and she was a proud executive secretary, sabi niya. Tapos nandito po siya, so parang, wow. Salamat.
Welcome back home, Mommy.
Yes, hello po. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mrs. De Maguila over there. Hello po, Mommy Mary Paz De Maguila. Thank you so much for joining us. Coach Jim.
Okay. Well, it's been surreal. It's been a long journey with being with ABS, and we've always been a kapamilya before. And it's interesting to say na finally we're here when we've actually been here all this time. So we're just happy to really embrace the whole culture talaga, and happy to be here.
Thank you very much. And now, syempre gusto pa natin kilalanin sina Coach Jim and Coach Tony dahil napakarami na nilang achievements. Ano pa ba ang dapat nating malaman tungkol sa kanila? Mga kapamilya, let's watch this.
Partners in life, love, and leveling up. Meet the Sarets.
Hi guys, I'm Coach Jim.
Coach Tony Saret.
Trusted across the country for their expertise and experience with top medical associations, various military departments, champion athletes, and the hottest celebrities. Sila ang naging pambansang sports, fitness, at wellness coaches ng Pilipinas. Through the years, they have worked with ABS-CBN, mula sa Biggest Loser Philippines Seasons 1 and 2, hanggang sa iba't ibang fitness shows and segments in different platforms. Now, it's time to know more about the Sarets.
We are the founders po ng the Fit Filipino movement.
The biggest health, wellness, and fitness program in the country. Ito po namin ito bago ang pandemic. Sinarip po namin ang buong Pilipinas sa mabuti po ng tapa or ng excess weight. And during the campaign, nakabit po kami ng
1.6 million pounds lang tama.
yeah. So it's actually the first in the world, and we're very proud of what we have done here.
We have been helping out with Star Magic Family in their physical transformation from no fat to six fat.
Marami na po tayo tulungan mga kapatidya. Andyan po ang Pili, ang DJYO, ang mga hot seller namin mga kasama, sila Rizke, sila General Salvador, and now we're also helping sila Guys, Bobby Juberski, and many, many more.
Our biggest dream, help the whole country get fitter, healthier, and stronger.
Right now, at 8-9.
A new journey begins for the couple that trains together and transforms lives together with the Star Magic Energy. Shining now, Coach Tony and Coach Jim Saret.
There you go, 1 pound at a time. I love that. And now it's time to sign the contract and continue the long-running relationship between Star Magic and Coach Tony and Coach Jim Saret. As we can see right now, they are holding their hands, they're signing the contracts, they are sealing the deal. Coach Jim has a master's degree in sports medicine and athletic training from the US. And si Coach Tony naman did a postgraduate course training program in holistic nutrition in the US. They have trained and produced champion athletes from the NCAA, UAAP, PBA, and RP Smart Gilas, and the list goes on. Napakarami na nilang achievements, and now, i-achieve nila yun together with Star Magic. Again, welcome to Star Magic, Coach Tony and Coach Jim Saret! And now we'd like to hear a few words from you. You know, Star Magic has trusted you for many years, and today shows how much you also trust Star Magic. So ano bang gusto niyo sabihin ngayon as you continue your journey with this family?
Of course, thank you very much to our ABS-CBN family, so to Direk, of course, and to everybody else, to our Star Magic family. Cap, thank you for having us. And we are just super excited. It's been a very long journey for us. And so, it's interesting that we're signing now, even though we've been here for the longest time. Siguro kami yung meron ng show sa TV, Biggest Loser na kami, nag-show na kami sa iba, pero ngayon lang kami nag-sign. So, it's been a very interesting journey, but very, very fun and very exciting. So, we're grateful to be here, and we're super excited to actually continue on. So, parang this is going to be another phase of our partnership with ABS-CBN. And so really looking forward to that.
Official na talaga ang inyong pagkatatak Star Magic. And let's make it more official with some photos. So please stand.
I'd just like to thank both of you. Alam ko, sabi nyo nga, bago pa mga, we're just officializing this, but you know that our relationship is beyond signing anything. And thank you for making our artists healthy and for keeping me healthy. Alam ko naman, pag may kailangan ako, tinatawagan ko kayo. Kaya lang, minsan masyado mahirap yung challenges na binibigay mo sa akin. But as long as you keep our artists and the nation healthy, we're very, very honored to represent the Sareds, Tony and Jim. Maraming salamat for honoring us also for being officially with Star Magic. Maraming salamat sa aking mga inaanak.
Thank you, Ninong Lauren. Yes, Ninong Direct Lauren. And now let's pose for some photos. Let's make it official with these photos. Everybody, okay. There you go. And now let's pose for some photos. Our official photo photographer is here from Nice Print. Thank you very much, by the way, to Mr. Ristinho and Nice Print for our official photos today. Thank you. And now please take your seats once again because we have a few more questions mula sa ating friends from the media. So our first question is for Coach Jim. Coach Jim, can you share your journey into fitness coaching and what inspired you to pursue it?
Okay, that's a good question. So I have a long story. Make it short. I was a former national athlete. I went to the US. I had a tennis scholarship. I took my master's in sports medicine. I came back. I got offered to teach at UP. Then I got an invitation to be part of a PBA team. Then I got invited to become the head of the Philippine Olympic Committee sports training program.
Wow.
And then, so we were training all the elite athletes in the country. And then we got a call naman for a audition for ABS-CBN, the Biggest Loser. So the switch was there. And then, parang gano'n, like full circle na kami from training elite athletes all the way to training yung pinakamataba sa Pilipinas. So it's been a very, very interesting ride for us.
And now that you've mentioned yun nga, no, na you have trained kahit yung mga from athletes hanggang sa mga medyo unfit natin na mga kababayan. Coach Tony, could you share some success transformations from your celebrity clients that stand out for you?
Like what Jim was saying, from the polar ends of the spectrum, no? From the most elite, tapos yung mga weekend warriors lang na gusto maging healthy at talagang yung medyo sobrang obese na or may kabigatan. So, with that said, parang sabi ko, wow, all-encompassing fitness, health, and wellness. Kailangan pangkalahatan, hindi lang sa mga nakaka-afford or hindi lang not just for artists, not just... So, siguro, it progressed from there, being athletes. Coach Jim and I, like I was saying earlier, Direct Ninong, hindi pa po kami kinakasal when we were already when we were athletes. And then from there, I think it's a natural progression where you just from being athletes, you become coaches, and after which, siguro it became a natural instinct to start coaching people, which is a holistic approach, emotional, mental, physical, lahat yan, kailangan may lugod ka talaga sa i-coach mo o tuturuan mo. And from then on, direct siguro, ang tinutukoy ko is, at this phase, at this point in time, parang maraming salamat sa platform na binigay mo. Ang gusto naming mangyari ay talagang maging pangkalahatan na ang fitness at maabot kamay through what you gave us to get each and every Filipino fitter, healthier, and stronger.
I remember just recently, sila Emilio Daes has been going, sila Robbie Jaworski, sila ang nagpapahirap sa kanila. But of course, mga prominent ones, sila ang unang-una rin nagpahirap sa BD. And BGYO, so yun yung mga ano nila. And on a regular basis during summer, we have a special program just to make them look fitter and more summer looking. But more than anything, we just want them to be fit and well, mentally and physically. There's a healthy approach to doing this. It's not just, you know, do weights and everything. I think more than anything, what I appreciate with the Sareds, yung total ano nila approach is mental, psyche, and physical. And sometimes we work with no weights at all. Just ano, minsan during the pandemic, mga pinabubuhat na sa kanila, mga ano nga ba yan, mga water, ano lang. So, yun.
In fact, direct yung concept mo nga po sa Biggest Loser, yung kayang abot kamay ng bawat Pinoy at katao, di ba? Yung body weight, tapos gumawa kami ng mga home made equipments para hindi talaga elitist at lahat talaga pwedeng mag-workout. Para sa lahat talaga, para lahat everybody gets healthy as well.
Tama, di ba? Hindi sila ma-intimidate na, pang mayaman lang yung pag-workout. Kaya ng bawat Pilipino, basta tama yung mindset. So thank you for inspiring the whole nation, Coach Jim and Coach Tony Sarat. Thank you so much for your time. And
everyone, thank you so much for being here. Today is a very important day and I welcome all of you to this very important milestone in the lives of 10 of our very most promising young artists who we're signing up this afternoon. Thank you to all the parents, the siblings, the titas who are here to show love, support, and witness this very important milestone. Thank you for entrusting your kapamillas to us and for allowing Star Magic to be their second home. Like in any family, we may not always agree on everything, but because we are family, we will always do what's best for our children. So once again, maraming salamat po sa trust, sa commitment that you are giving us today. And we welcome all of you, mga bagong kapamilya, to the Star Magic family. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Love, reminding us kung gaano ka importante ang pagiging pamilya dito sa Star Magic. At syempre, laging full support talaga ang ating ABS-CBN bosses for our shining new stars. Please welcome, joining us today, our Chief Operating Officer of ABS-CBN and the Head of Broadcast, Miss Cory Vidanes. Right now, we can see Miss Cory Vidanes escorted by our very own Director Lauren Jogi, walking the red carpet, greeting our friends from the media and press who have been so supportive of ABS-CBN throughout the years. Truly, ating ding mga kapamilya. Welcome po, Tita Cory. Please take your seat. Napaka-enganda lalo ng ating event with the presence of CBB, Tita Cory, and of course, Direk Lauren. And right now, you can see on your screens, nakita na natin ang ating Queen Mother na later on ay aking officially introduced. But right now, for our first artist, joining Direk Lauren Jogi and Tita Cory Vidanes, kasama rin natin, Cap Luz Bagalaksa from Star Magic! And co-manager and Queen Mother, Miss Carla Estrada! Good afternoon po. And now, let's begin. The future is bright for this young lady who is ready to face the world as her beautiful, authentic self. Let's give her a warm welcome. Shining now, Carmela Ford! Dear bosses, we of course lovingly call Carmela Lela or Lelay. Yes, kindly take your seat. Kakatapos lang yan ang kanyang Star Magic All-Star Games journey, where she was awarded as part of the mythical 6 of the champion team, the Lady Spikers. Hello, Carmela! How are you? So, how do you feel right now as the shining star na inaabangan ng lahat today?
Hello po! Hello, everyone! Honestly, I feel so overwhelmed right now. but in the best way. I feel so blessed and I'm just so excited na magkaroon ng pangalan here in the industry. And yes, thank you so much.
So sweet. Well, we're so excited to get to know you even better as well. Now, as she begins her journey in Star Magic, Carmela knows that she can always find strength and inspiration from her friends and family. But what else makes her shine? Let's find out.
Growing up, she knew she wanted to be a star. Now that the stage is here for her, she is ready to shine. Meet Carmela Ford.
Hello everyone! I'm Carmela Ford. You may know me as Lala or Lalay, ang bunsong kapatid ni Kuya DJ, or ang bunsong anak ni Carla Estrada. But I'm all grown up now. I'm 19 years old. I'm adventurous, fun, and a good daughter. I love trying new things and extreme activities. Started playing volleyball when I was 8 years old. Then I got into martial arts when I was 10 years old. Dahil doon natuto talaga ako ng time management, self-discipline at a very young age. Successful acting career with drama and action roles. And one day, nasa stage na ako accepting my Best Actress Award. Alam ko na ito talaga yung gusto kong gawin. And I'll always stay grounded because of my friends and family. To stay kind and never let success change who I am. They always remind me that staying true to myself will take me farther than any spotlight ever could. Kasi kahit anong role man yan, handa akong subukan, face new challenges, and show everyone who I really am. Walang takot, all heart, all in.
Carmela's dream of being with the best of the best in Star Magic is now a reality. And with her beauty, passion, and joy for the craft, she's carving her own future as the best artist she can be. Welcome to Star Magic, Carmela.
Star Magic. Welcome to Star Magic, Carmela. And now it is time to sign the contract. Please grab your pens and let's make it official. Carmela has participated in the Star Magic All-Star Games for the past couple of years. And like I said earlier, just last week, she was hailed as part of the Mythical Six in the women's volleyball event. With her background as a student athlete, she dreams of roles that combine action and drama. Ang dami talaga nating aabangan kay Carmela, and there you have it! Congratulations, Carmela! You are shining now as a Star Magic artist. At nandito rin ang mga tao who make you shine with their love and support. Alright, so now we would like to ask Miss Carla Estrada to say a few words. Kindly take your seats po. Miss Carla, ano po ba ang mensahe ninyo para sa anak niyong si Carmela? Ano pong mensahe niyo po kay Nela?
Oh, well, katulad ng lagi kong sinasabi nung na-desisyon kami na mag-umpisa na siya, ay bigay niya syempre yung best niya. And higit sa lahat, piliin laging maging mabuti sa katrabaho, diba, sa pamilya, at syempre mahalin yung pagkakataon na ibibigay sa kanya.
Thank you very much, Miss Carla. Ang ganda ng message. Tungkol sa trabaho, tungkol sa pagkatao. Thank you po.
Thank you. And syempre, thank you sa mga boss ko. Thank you sa ABS-CBN sa chance na ito. Once again, meron na akong dagdag sa Kaban ng Bayan.
Sorry.
Hindi.
Uy, matagal na ligawan to, Carla.
Oo,
matagal na ligawan to.
Ayan. Hindi po sa akin, sa kuya.
Parang ang daming backstory na gusto namin hukayin. But really, truly kapamilya po talaga ang inyong family, and we're so happy to welcome Carmela Ford. Now, just like your family, Carmela, we're all cheering for you sa bagong journey mo. So what do you want to say to everyone? Go ahead.
Yes. Thank you so much for this amazing opportunity na I will cherish it forever. To my mama, ang pinakaunang taong naniwala sa akin, thank you so much, ma. I love you so much. To my bosses, to ABS-CBN, to Star Magic, to my bosses, Tita Cory, thank you. Derek Lauren, thank you po. Thank you so much po sa lahat. And thank you po sa tiwala niyo. And I promise that I will give my 100% and my best, and I won't let you down. Thank you so much.
Thank you, DJ.
Thank you, Kuya!
The long wait is over.
Shout out po kay Mr. Daniel Padilla. But right now, ito na ang iyong first task as a Star Magic artist. Let's pose for some photos! So kindly stand and let's make this moment even more memorable with beautiful photos. Again, we'd like to acknowledge Ms. Charisse Tino and Nice Print for our official photos of the event. Do not forget to use our official hashtag #ShiningNow para samahan si Carmela in celebrating her special day with Star Magic. Beautiful. All right, thank you very much, Carmela. And thank you also to her manager, Cap Luz.
Suna to panganay
Suna, yes. Bunsuna. And Miss Carla, thank you po for joining us, the Queen Mother. And the rest of the family, congratulations! And we are very excited for what the future holds for you bilang isang tatak Star Magic artist, Carmela. Maraming salamat. And now, they are just saying their farewells. Pero huwag po kayo mag-alala, mamaya po